We're going to take a look at more single variable inequalities. And this will be the first video of today. So remember, it's single variable because, well, I only have x's there. I don't have y's. So please copy this in your notebook. We're going to do a total of three problems in this video. Once again, this is no different than from what we're going to do. We're gonna treat this as an equal sign. So we need to get all of our x's over to one side. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add 2x and add 2x. Because what happens is these x's get eliminated on the right side. And what I'm left with is 6x plus 6 is greater than 24. And this is a problem now we've been solving for a month now. Subtract 6, subtract 6. And what I get is I get 6x is greater than 18. Your last step in this, we divide both sides by 6. And you get x is greater than or equal to 3. When I make a number line, I have to have a closed dot on 3 because of this symbol. This indicates a closed dot, and I need x is greater than. So is 5 greater than 3? Is that true or false? And 5 is true. So that means I need to shade to the right. The next problem, 9x plus 7. Oh, I'm going to gotta get rid of that equals. I'm going to go ahead and put in a less than sign. I need all my x's to one side. So I'm going to choose the smaller of the x's. So I'm subtracting 9x. Subtract 9x. And what happens on this left side is I get these 9x's to cancel out. So I'm just left with 7 is less than 10 minus 9 is 1x minus 8. Going to add 8 to each side. And I get 7 is not 7. 7 plus 8 is 15 is less than 1x. And that's the same thing as 15 is less than x. So when I create a number line for this, I'm going to go ahead and put an open circle at 15 because of that. And 15 is less than x. So if I go ahead and test 11, is 15 less than 11? Is that true or false? And that's false. So if it's false to the left, that means I have to shade to the right. take a look at one more. I'm just going to bring it up in case someone still needs to copy. First thing I'm going to do, get rid of this 2. Subtract 2 from both sides. And I get 2x over 9 is greater than 2. The next part is I have a fraction here. And if you guys remember, to get rid of a fraction, we multiply by the opposite. So not 2 over 9, it's now going to be 9 over 2. And on the right side, it'll be 9 over 2. What happens is this left side, these 9's cancel out, and these 2's cancel out. So you're left with x is greater than 2 over 1 times 9 over 2. X is greater than, well, 2 times 9 is 18. 1 times 2 is 2. So that's the same thing as x is greater than 9. Let's go ahead, and since x is greater than 9, I'm going to have an open circle due to that. And then since x needs to be larger, I'm just going to test the point 13. So I'm going to test 13. Is 13 larger than 9? True or false? It's true. Therefore, I shade going to the right.